Beneath the glow of dawn, the Pacific stretches endlessly, vast, deep, and full of mystery. But imagine this. What if the Titanic's maiden voyage had crossed these waters instead?
Would her fate have been the same? Or would history tell a very different story? Let's dive into the ocean of what if, where history bends and possibilities awaken.
In 1912, the RMS Titanic sailed from Southampton to New York, across the cold North Atlantic.
But if she had been launched on a Pacific route, say, from Japan to San Francisco, everything changes. The sea, the weather, even rescue options Krullas, all would have rewritten her story.
The Atlantic was icy, filled with icebergs drifting from Greenland.
The Pacific, on the other hand, is warmer, but far more unpredictable.
Instead of icebergs, Titanic would face raging typhoons, fog banks, and deep tectonic trenches.
The waves here can tower like walls, born from storms thousands of miles away.
If Titanic had sailed in April through the Pacific, she likely wouldn't have hit an iceberg.
But the ocean has its own silent assassins. Yeah, rogue waves, volcanic islands, and hidden reefs. Imagine her gliding near the Aleutian Islands when a powerful undersea quake triggers a tsunami.
A 50-foot wall of water racing toward the unsinkable ship.
Would even the Titanic withstand the fury of the Pacific?
A Pacific voyage would change everything, from crew to communication.
Instead of British and American passengers, she might carry traders, diplomats, and Asian elites.
Wireless signals might reach Japan or Hawaii, not New York or Newfoundland.
And in this vast ocean, rescue ships would be far fewer, separated by thousands of miles.
Help, if it came, might arrive days too late.
In the Atlantic, the Carpathia reached survivors in about 2 hours.
But in the Pacific, surrounded by emptiness blamed, there might be no Carpathia at all.
The Pacific is 5 times larger than the Atlantic, a graveyard for those lost at sea.
Without ice warnings, Titanic's captain might have steamed faster, unaware of new dangers.
Even her watertight compartments, designed for collisions, not waves, could fail under pressure.
The Pacific is deeper water, over 10,000 meters in places.
If she sank here, finding her wreck would be nearly impossible, even today.
If Titanic vanished into the Pacific, the world might never find her.
No photographs of the wreck. No haunting images of her bow resting in silence.
She would become a legend, a lambda, a ghost ship swallowed by the planet's greatest ocean.
And perhaps her story would fade into myth, whispered across coasts, but never proven true.
In the Atlantic, Titanic sleeps beneath 12,000 feet of waters, her story preserved in steel and salt.
But in the Pacific, she might have been erased completely, forgotten by time, consumed by depth.
Sometimes, the smallest detail, how the ocean itself grew, decides the fate of legends. And in this alternate world, the Titanical's tragedy might never have been told at all.